So in this video we'll study about Goodsall rule. For that, first you'll have to draw this anus, and 1.5 inch from the anus you'll have to draw a circle, and you'll have to divide the circle into two imaginary halves. The first half is anterior part and the second half is posterior part. So if we redraw the diagram here, this is the anus and this is the anterior part, this is the posterior part, and there will be some fistulas which will be opening in the anterior part, and there will be some fistulas which will be opening in the posterior part. And this fistulas will be having an external opening and internal opening, right? And it is same for posterior also. So this fistulas which is opening posteriorly will also this external opening and one internal opening, right? So this fistulas which are opening anteriorly, the external opening will be of direct type, whereas this internal opening will be of radial type. Whereas this fistulas which are opening posteriorly will be of curved type, external opening, and internal opening will be of midline type. Fistulas with external opening in relation to anterior half will be of direct type, right? And fistulas with external opening in relation to posterior half will be curved type, right? And it opens in the midline posteriorly. So what opens in the midline posterior? The internal openings of this posterior part will be of midline type, whereas this internal openings of the anterior will be of radial type. And it may have multiple external openings but all connected to single internal opening. So what are they saying? Externally there can be many openings, but internally there will be only one opening. So this is the Goodsall rule. And there is one other exception to it. So normally if it is within the circle, anterior opening should be having external opening and the internal opening. External will be of direct type, internal will be of radial type, right? So what are they saying here? If the external opening anterior, what it should be? It should be of direct type. But if it is outside the circle, it opens posteriorly with a curved track. So normally if it is opening within the circle, it will be of direct type. But if it is present outside the circle, like in here, it will go posteriorly and then opens through the curved pathway into the posterior part. So that is the exception for this Goodsall rule.